I wanted to show you a real-world example of how you can use the new Sanity MCP server. In front of us, we have Claude that is connected to the Sanity MCP server, and it has a range of tools it can use to interact with your Sanity project and Content Lake. So it can look at your content model, it can create and update documents, releases, and so on. I have a prompt here that says that it should go and read this blog post. It should stage a new landing page on this content release and populate that landing page with appropriate blocks. And there should be at least 5 blocks. I will also add the marketing brief from our Google Drive to give it a little bit more context on what we want to kind of like do with this landing page. So let's try and run this prompt in Claude. So it will ask you for permission to run every type of tool, and I will just blanket allow it for this chat. So now it gets the initial context, so that's like information about this project, about the schema and so on, to kind of understand what's going on. And you can see that it found the landing page type, and it will probably go into each block to understand like deeper how those blocks are structured, so it can kind of like make that content. So this is an example of like the agent building its own context in a way. All right, so it's done looking for the schema, and now it wants to create a new landing page. So it asks me for permission to make a new document. And there you can see the new document, so we can click into it. And you can see that it has staged it with content already. And we can go and try and preview this. All right, so it did make a marketing landing page with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. That's great. So this was just a quick tip of the iceberg demo of what you can use the MCP server for. We can't promise it gets everything right every time. This has a little bit to do with your prompting as well, and it's kind of like a skill you can develop. We're super curious about how you will make use of this MCP server, so make sure to tell us in the community or anywhere you can meet us on socials. Until then, happy prompting!